Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView in Kite. Kite, Zerodha's trading platform, seamlessly integrates TradingView charts, providing a powerful analysis experience. You can access a wide array of charting tools and over 100 technical indicators directly within your trading interface. This integration allows for efficient market analysis and informed decision-making without switching platforms. Let's dive into setting up your charts. Once you're in the TradingView interface within Kite, you'll find a highly customizable chart layout. You can easily switch between different time frames, from 1 minute to 1 month, to suit your analysis needs. The platform offers a comprehensive suite of drawing tools, including trend lines, horizontal lines, and Fibonacci retracements, to mark key levels. Remember to save your customized chart templates for quick access in future sessions. TradingView in Kite provides access to a vast library of technical indicators, such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD. You can easily add these to your charts to gain deeper market insights and identify potential trading opportunities. Combining multiple indicators can help confirm your trading signals and reduce false positives. Don't forget to utilize the alert feature, which notifies you of specific price movements or indicator crossovers, keeping you informed. To optimize your experience, personalize the chart's appearance by adjusting colors, themes, and candle styles to your preference. Learning a few keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your charting process, making analysis more fluid and efficient. For example, pressing Alt+T quickly draws a trend line. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Mastering these features will elevate your trading analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.